Hello friends, my name is Pradeep. Today's our new topic is a web browser, how to create a web browser in LabVIEW. Okay, let's start. I'm deleting the previous program, now create a new one. Come on the structure and create a flat sequence, okay? And I think you know about what's purpose of this event, because it's as like work as like a sequence, okay? That's why I'm create here. Okay, now come on the front panel and right click here and come on the net dot and create a web browser like this. Okay, and change the size as per your requirement like this. Okay, now the icon is pop up and right click here, come on the structure and create a while loop for the continuity purpose. Okay, and okay, now and come on the structure. Now we create a event for operation the web browser. Okay, now click on here and connect the wire to like this. Okay, and we need to use the shift register for transfer the data. Okay, for a continuity transfer data, that's why I'm using the shift register here. Okay, now click here, click here and create and come on the method, and you can create and navigate like this. You can easily check here like this. Okay, now come on the connect to like this and it's on there. Okay, now there is a one purpose URL. Okay, now click on here and create the control. Okay, now you need to paste any URL. Okay, as like here. Okay, it means when I click when I paste here, the values transfer to the URL web browser and display the data. Okay, now and now right click here, come on the silver. Okay, and click on the boolean, click on the pin and drag here, and you select either they have a different type of buttons you can see, and click on the buttons. Okay, now you need to create as like as per your requirement. Drag here like this, and one is need to for the refresh and one for the stop. Okay, now we need three switches and changes there as like a sequence wise. Okay, for a decoration purpose. Okay, like this. Okay, now drag here, and one is the like we need to first the next button. Okay, and need to right click here and add the event cases. Okay, and right click here and click on the edit event handling and come in the next button to change the value and click on the OK. Okay, you see they have changed. Next value is the value changed. Okay, now its work is done. Now need to change on another side. Right click here and click the add event cases. Okay, now need to some of these are reference reference and click on the OK. Now with the refresh. Okay, now we need to program here, and you can change here, copy this and paste here like this. Okay, and control B and click on the navigate, and you need to change here for refresh like this. Okay, another is the same like reference to connect on in the reference, and another one is reference out, connect to the reference out like this. Okay, we need to refresh. Okay, it's take the refresh the system of a, or we can say web browser. Okay, now right click here and create on the add event case and click on the stop button, value change and click OK. Okay, now it's another stop button. Okay, it's programming like here, and there also control V, paste here, control B and click on the navigate, and there is a stop button. Okay, we need to stop. Okay, or first we need to go back, or we can say go home, or like a go search. Okay, first we need to go search, after that we need to quit. Okay, then control V and control B, click on the navigate and click on the stop, or we can say quit. Okay, we need to stop. I think it's a stop or a quit. Okay, we change to the as like a quit also. You can change as per your purpose. Okay, quite like this. Now connect to the wire like same as this and click on here, and it's reference through this. Okay, now there is a error out. Okay, and it's error out. Okay, now click on here, right click here and click on the dialog option and clear error and connect to this terminal. Error out. Okay, it means there is no any pop-up window for the error declaration. That's why I'm using to this error here, and click on the visible item, and this label is a clear error. Okay, now we do the stop button. Okay, when I pressed, then the loop is closed and the program is cut off all that time. So how we can create here? Click on here and drag like this. Okay, okay, now change here, and you see it's our program is done. Now need to run, and first of all your connection, your laptop is connected with your internet. Okay, I already connected. Control T. Now you need to paste here any URL, and I'm search on my browser. Okay, and I'm search here as my YouTube channel link. Okay, sorry, yeah, sorry, yeah, pardeeplabview. I'm search on here, and it's a YouTube link, and okay, and I click on the image, and you see just it my all video, and now I click on the video. You see it's my all playlist here, and copy, control C, and you need to paste on here on a LabVIEW web browser on LabVIEW URL like this. Okay, now we need to run your program. Okay, and click on the next, and you see it's a working. Okay, and in your lab you have a web browser. You can create anything, or you can learn or read anything from web browser. Okay, like this. It's amazing. I like it, and you should do try to yourself. Okay, and you can modify like this. We need to as like a refresh, then click on here, like okay, it's depend upon your net connection. Okay, and click on the web like this. Okay, now need to stop button. Okay, you see it's a searching, and you can here you can search anything about here, because in programming I already changed. And you see, and the last on the stop button I'm using the go search. That's why it's the icon is go search. We can any search, or we can search anything about here, and you can change as per your requirement. Like we need to change stop to other icons, and click on here like this. You can create on here like go button, go back, get property, navigate to, and we can see stop already is here. Okay, and it's a nice, I'm like a lot. Okay, thanks a lot guys, and if you like the video, please share your friends and subscribe our channel, and thanks a lot.